The final thing to put on your drawing is your text. In this case we have the roof layout, and the text command is insert text here on the left. There's a number of different ways. You can select the items one by one or select all. So just going from the top of the dialog here, we have Arial. The height is 2 millimeters, aspect 0.5, and we can have single line, on the line, left of the line, right of the line. We're going to put this item on the line. It's going to be on the end, and we're going to select all within the page. Now if I go run, I can click on a rafter, and you can see it's put the word rafter and all the links on the drawing. Right click, I'll just cancel out of this so we can have a look. So here we've got rafter 2.4, rafter 5.4 at 30 degrees. So when the roof changes with the manual override button, it will also put the different roof pitch on. Now we don't really want the word rafter there, so this is changed in the setup for rafter, and here we have the word rafter, so I'm going to take that out, delete. All we want is the length, nothing else. We don't want the size, just the length. If we wanted the size as well, we would tick the user. But generally everything is a different size. Save, exit. I'll get rid of these by using the magnet. There we go, we've found them all. Delete. Try again, text. Same settings. On the end of the line, select all within page, run. And all we've got now is the lengths of the lines coming up. Still the different pitch, but that's just to let us know it's slightly different. The right click now will go off the end by 5 millimeters. Again, select all within page, run, and if I select on the hips, you can see it's put a hip 200 by 38, 6.9. And the same for the valleys. I'll pick on a valley. Here's the valley, and 175 to 25, 4.2. Right click on the center, same thing, pick on the ridges and the ridge. So you can take the words ridge and valley and hip out, anything like that. It's not really needed. Everybody should know what they are. The same with the collar ties. It's got everything written on there. Maybe all you need on the collar tie is the length. So right click, cancel. I'll just click on the collar ties, delete those, go to my setup again, ceiling joist, collar tie, setup. We don't need collar tie, we don't need the user size, just the length. Save, exit, back to the text, and on the center, select all within page, run, and there the collar ties. We've just got the size on them. And cancel. You may need to move a bit of text around, like the ridge. We could move this down here below, because it does say that that's what the ridge is. So if you've got text that is to be moved out of the way, sometimes it might be best to have the word on there. But in general, just make it suit the way you want your drawing to look. And that's text. So you do your text once you're happy with all the quantities. If you're still playing around with the quantities, leave the text till last, do your exporting first, and then come back to the text.